Welcome back to Quick Math. Today we're studying the law of cosines and Pythagorean theorem. Let's start off with a quick soccer video.
As you saw in that video, there was a defender and a striker. They're both running, the striker was about to score, and the defender kicked the ball away just at the right time, as they met right here. So what we're going to solve today is how much farther did the defender run than the attacker, and at what angles did the two have to take to meet at that point. So first things first is we're going to have to solve for the different sides of the triangle. So for side A, we just use Pythagorean theorem. So it'll be A will equal the square root of 75 squared plus 25 squared. And that will come out to 79 feet. So A equals 79 feet. Okay, next we'll solve side B, also using Pythagorean theorem. This will be the square root of 15 squared plus 60 squared. And that will come out to 62 feet. So B equals 62 feet. And solving for side C, also using Pythagorean theorem. 15 squared, 40 squared. Side C equals 43 feet. So C equals 43 feet. So now we can solve our first problem, which is how much farther did the defender have to run to kick the ball in time. So that'll be 79 minus 62. That comes out to 17 feet. Okay, now on to the angles. So maybe if this is your first time learning about the law of cosines, but this is how it works. You take a side that you can also use the angle of, and you put that on this side of the equation, and you do this side squared equals the other two sides squared added together, minus 2 times side A times side B times the cosine of angle C. So first, we will find the angle A. So we'll write that right here. So since it's angle A, we're going to put side A on this side of the equation. So 79 squared equals the other two sides squared added together. So 43 squared plus 62 squared minus 2 times 43 times 62 times cosine of angle A, which we will solve for. So if you subtract 43 squared and 62 squared and divide that by negative 2 times 43 times 62, it'll be cosine A equals 79 squared minus 43 squared minus 62 squared over negative 2 times 43 times 62. Then to solve for A, you do inverse cosine of all of that. So that angle A will equal cosine negative 1, 79 squared minus 43 squared minus 62 squared over negative 2 times 43 times 62. Then you just plug all of that into your calculator at one time to get the most accurate result. And make sure that this is a negative sign instead of a minus sign. You'll get a wrong answer if you don't do that. Also, make sure you have parentheses around each of these squared, or else you'll get a wrong answer also. I've already done this. So angle A comes out to 96 degrees. Go ahead and write that. Okay, next we'll find angle B. So you write the corresponding side on this side. So 62 feet squared equals 43 squared plus 79 squared minus 2 times 43 times 79 times cosine of angle B. Definitely wrote that too big right there. Okay, then to solve for angle B, bring cosine B equals 62 squared minus 43 squared minus 79 squared over negative 2 times 43 times 79 times cos. Oh wait, brought that over here. Okay, so now angle B equals cosine negative 1 squared. If you plug it into the calculator, angle B will equal 51 degrees. Okay. And if you want to find angle C, all you have to do is go 180 minus 51 minus 96, and that'll give you 33 degrees for angle C. And the way you know that is because all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 always. So if you have two of them, you should subtract them from 180 to get the answer. So the answer to our second problem, what were the two angles that the two players had to take? The defender took a 51 degree angle and the striker took a 96 degree angle.